First, I'd like to go over some of our digital manufacturing solutions. So as you know, SAP has solutions end-to-end in the digital supply chain, everything from engineering to planning and scheduling through the execution phase, and even environmental health and safety solutions. We have a new solution portfolio called the SAP Digital Manufacturing Cloud, and there are two pieces to that. There's the Manufacturing Insights piece, and there's the Manufacturing Execution piece. Today we'll be covering the Manufacturing Insights piece. We also have our traditional SAP Manufacturing Suite, which includes manufacturing integration and intelligence for connecting your shop floor to your ERP and your MES systems. The SAP Manufacturing Execution solution, which is our traditional on-premise MES solution, and also SAP Plant Connectivity that helps to bridge the gap between the shop floor systems and the MES layer. We also have SAP S/4HANA and what's built into the core. That includes production engineering and operations for complex assembly, planning and scheduling, and also environmental health and safety. So once again, today we'll be covering the SAP Digital Manufacturing Cloud for Insights piece. We'll do insights on overall equipment effectiveness, so we'll be able to break down availability, performance, and quality at the plant level, and then we'll be able to dig a little deeper into that and see where our main OEE losses are coming from. We'll also be able to identify our root causes for those OEE losses and be able to translate these insights into actions and also display how this is a solid foundation for continuous improvement. So without further ado, let's get into the live software. So now I'd like to click into our OEE Insights piece. Now we can see that the overall equipment effectiveness is displayed for the entire enterprise right now. So that's what this BRC is. And this is actually able to leverage the same hierarchy that's defined in our core SAP that we were also looking at in KPI analytics. So as I drill down, we can see that we have a more narrow scope of focus all the way down to the machine level. And basically we're able to also get OEE analytics down to that level as well, or as high up as the entire enterprise. Now, as I go back, we can break down OEE into different categories. So we have the availability here, we have the performance, and then we have the quality aspect. And you can see as I click into each of these, it's giving us a bigger breakdown or a more detailed breakdown into each of these particular KPIs. So on the surface level, we have sort of a breakdown of, okay, what has been the trend over the last couple weeks? What is the cumulative trend with respect to the three different areas? And then also, where are most of my losses coming from? So we can see that unscheduled downtime is playing the largest role. We see that we have a little bit less speed loss from basically poor performance, and then even less quality loss on there as well. Down here, we can see that we have untagged downtimes that are associated with these losses. And as I go into each of the individual KPIs, so if I go into availability, we can see the reason codes most associated with those downtimes as well. So if there's something that's actually tagged appropriately, you're going to see that reason code come up here as well. You can also see the downtime by resource coming up and which ones are our main offenders, and also where our downtime occurrences are happening. We can see here in the performance aspect, the production trends. We can also see the reason code distribution for that. Same with the quality as well. We can see how our production quality is basically trending. And based on all of this data, we're able to get the trends of how our plant is performing or whatever level of detail that we selected. And we're able to see what our main offenders are and what the reasons are for those main offenders of these particular KPIs. So with that information, we're basically able to do continuous improvement and to actually take action that's going to result in higher OEE numbers and better plant performance. So this is really where the rubber meets the road as far as operations and being able to take data from the shop floor, apply context to it, and then use it as a platform for continuous improvement and be able to increase the performance of our shop floor on a day-to-day basis. That's what this OEE Insights is really able to do. And then we're also able to compare a couple different OEE categories as well. So if I select another plant, or I can do a loss analysis here as well, we're able to compare plants from an OEE standpoint side by side, or compare machines, work centers. Once again, you can basically filter for any part of the hierarchy as well. Let's talk about the value of SAP's overall equipment effectiveness monitoring. So with overall equipment effectiveness, this divides our plant or work center performance into three very clear buckets. We have our availability bucket, which is our machine uptime. We have our performance bucket, which is our throughput. And we also have our quality bucket, which is obviously our quality for that material. Now, what we're able to do with this is we're able to see where our losses are coming from. So we can see which piece of this performance is lacking the most. So whether the machine is down, or whether it's slow going, or if there's poor quality that's to blame for the issues that we're having in production, we can see that broken down very clearly in the OEE analytics. Now, this leverages the framework that we have within our SAP system already with that plant hierarchy that we've talked about in previous steps. We are also able to display our root causes with this as well. So we can dive into those individual areas of our plant performance, and we're able to see, based on the reason codes that we've logged throughout the process, where our largest holes are in our performance. So we can see which things we need to work on for continuous improvement, really making this a valuable tool when it comes to shop floor improvement and when it comes to running as lean and efficient as possible on the shop floor.